Hi everyone, today we will add a map on the dashboard. Then we will add profit and loss statements as a tooltip for all the countries that serve as a profit centers in our project. We will also be using some conditional formatting for the EBITDA on the map. EBITDA below the target will be red, above the target green. Here we are building a customized profit and loss statement, where we are able to slice the data by country/profit center, product. We can also switch on and off different types of costs from the income statement and see how business performs with or without this or that type of costs. We will also be able to slice the income statement by segment. All tutorial links you will be able to find in the description of this video. If you find these short tutorials valuable, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. First of all, let's add the map to the dashboard. We will be adding field map in this case. Now what we need to do, we will be dragging country column of a union data table inside the location area. Now, if we start hovering over the map, we will be able to see the countries' names that appear in our raw data. Next step. Now I want to conditional format the countries that are below or above the EBITDA budget levels that we are setting up here. We've already created the measure for conditional formatting for the EBITDA. It lives here. It says if EBITDA in percentages is less than budget level for the EBITDA, we are placing red, otherwise we are returning green. These are just hex parameters for the red and green colors. Now it's time to assign this measure. We're going to format your visual. Fill colors. Here we need to press this FX button. In format style, we will select field value. In this area, we need to find and select the conditional formatting measure for the EBITDA in percentages that I just showed you. Click OK. Now we can play with budget levels for the EBITDA in percentages and we will see how the map will react accordingly. Now it's time for the tooltips. First of all, we need to create a new tab for the profit and loss tooltip. Let's create it and name profit and loss tooltip. Click plus is the same way we're doing it in Microsoft Excel. Naming this tab profit and loss tooltip. Now we need to tell Power BI that this tab is a tooltip. To do that, we're going to format your report page. Here we need canvas settings. In type, we're selecting tooltip. Next step, we're copying profit and loss statement table from the first tab and placing it inside the tooltip tab. Then we need to assign our tooltip. Going to the first tab and selecting the map. Format your visual, general, tooltips. In type, we're selecting report page. In page, we're selecting the tooltip page that we've just created, profit and loss tooltip. Now, if we start hovering over the map, we will be able to see the income statement as a tooltip, but it doesn't look fine. We need to play with the height and width of the profit and loss tooltip tab. We will be doing that shortly. Going back to the tooltip, traveling to canvas settings again. This time, we're selecting custom. Now we will be playing with height and width of a tooltip tab to fit the income statement. Now, if we start hovering over the map, we will be able to see the profit and loss statements for each country that are our profit centers. Also, we can play with slicers and budget levels for the EBITDA in percentages. Conditional formatting on the map will be showing us in which regions profit centers were below or above the EBITDA target. All tutorial links you will be able to find in the description of this video. If you find these short tutorials valuable, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.